Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the mean value theorem for integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x is equal to x to the fifth power minus 2x to the third plus x, and we're given the interval here of -1 to 0, and we have to find the average value on that interval. So our formula tells us that f of c is equal to 1 over b minus a, 0 minus a -1, that being the a value, on the integral interval of -1 to 0, a to b, of our function, x to the fifth minus a 2x to the third plus x dx. Alright, we've set it up. Let's go, simplify this. 1 over 0 minus a -1 plus a +1, so we just have a 1 up front, multiplied, brackets here. The integral of x to the fifth minus 2x to the third plus x is an x to the sixth power over 6 minus an x to the fourth power, integral of this part, over 2, right, plus a last part integral, x squared over 2. And we're integrating this from a -1 to 0. So from here, we want to follow our rules. Multiply by 1, don't really need it. Plug 0 in first into our equation. When we plug 0 into this equation, you get a 0. Subtracted by, when we plug a -1 in, and I simplified this for you, -1 in for our function here, simplified to be a 1/6. So 0 minus a 1/6 is a -1/6, which is equal to a -0.16 repeating. So our final answer here for the average value of the function over the given interval is a -1/6. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.